Do. How you doing, guys? What's happening? Hope everything's okay. Hope you're alright. I hope life treating you good. Sorry about the look. It's Easter Sunday. Everybody's had a good time. We're at 3:20 already. And I thought to myself, when you get there first and you don't know what to... Let me turn my TV down. When you get there first and you don't know what to have. Yeah, you know when you get that... When you get there first and you've got a favourite drink and you keep drinking that drink but you just simply don't know because nothing's like, you know, nothing's tickling your pickle and getting rid of your first. I had all those drinks today, drank gallons of gallons, stuffed myself stupid. So, I thought to myself, what can I put together? Well, it's only right, isn't it? Having a part Jamaican wife. I thought to myself, let's make Jamaican Rum Punch. Ooh. Now, before we go any further, I'm not going to measure anything out here because I always do it blind. You do it blind. But this is what I put in our rum punch. Okay? Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go. Let's get it on. Okay. First things you're going to need, 2 lemons, 2 limes. Yeah? 2 lemons, 2 limes. 2 lemons, 2 limes. Then you're going to need sugar syrup. Sugar syrup, basically sugar in water, boil it till it goes a little bit on the thick syrupy side. That's all that is, sugar syrup. Yeah? Okay. Next thing you're going to need, mango. Then you can get mango pulp, mango this, mango that, mango the other. Just get one of those. Rubicon, mango, okay? One of those. Alright. Strawberry syrup. Grenadine, strawberry syrup. Okay? Okay. White rum. Now you should get Jamaican white rum. I live in Dagenham. Seen any Jamaicans around here? Okay, so what I've done is I like to do it a little bit different. We're going to make a rum punch. We're going to make a rum punch. This is a grown-up rum punch. Remember, guys, if you want a child-friendly rum punch, just take the rum out. Okay? I haven't got an ordinary rum here. I've got this particular rum, which is used for cooking. And because it's used for cooking, the alcohol volume contents are, alright? Go check it out. Go check it out. Okay? Of the proof of this. Are you ready? Can you see the proof? Can you see the proof? This is 63 volumes, 63 proof. Vodka I've been drinking all day, it's only about 35. So this stuff, lethal. I've got 2 of these, 2 little dinky bottles, because rum is very, very strong tasting. I don't want it to overpower everything. Okay, so that's your white rum. Next thing, ice. The reason why I'm showing you a bowl rather than doing it in a tall jug and messing around. I'll give you glass bowls, you can see exactly. I've got 3 trays of ice cubes in now. Okay. Next thing you're going to need, tropical fruit juice. Now, for me, there's only one. You remember the adverts? The only totally tropical taste. You remember the totally tropical taste? For you guys that don't remember, it was Lil. Okay? Well, I've got a little alternative here. Sun Exotic. Which, as you can see, pineapple and coconut. Put that down. That's your Lil. Okay? Then you're going to need lemonade. I'm going to use Sprite, which is lemonade and lime together. So I'm going to use Sprite. And then the last thing is a bit of chopped fruit. So I'm going to use a couple of strawberries and throw them in. Now, you can see this guy here. This guy is basically a fruit punch on its own. So I'm just going to blast that in to see what it tastes like, alright? This is how I make the rum punch, okay? Are you ready? Not going to mess around. Going to grab hold of a knife. Grab a tea plate. Yeah, sorry about the way I'm looking shopping outside and God, the sunbathing. You wouldn't think about it though, would you? Look at me. Look, I'm still bleeding white. Anyway, put that, enough that crap. Alright, put that there. I'm not going to mess around, I'm just going to throw it all in. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's do it. Hello. Hello then.
Hello.
Hello. Alright. Okay. Squeezer. A juicer. Juicer, squeezer, squeezer, juicer. Call it what you like. You only need a little bit of anyway. Just a little bit. Try not to get the seeds in. Okay, so I'll put that there like that. 1/2 there. Straight in there. Oh. I said don't get the seed in. What did I do? Get the seeds in.
1 seed.
Don't worry about them, man. Try and pick them out. That's the only thing with lemons is all the bleeding seeds in them. Some oranges are like that as well, aren't they? Get seeds in too. Right, there's 2 there. There's no one there. Don't think there's any more in that. We'll have a look in a minute. Okay, same again.
Yeah, there's
There's another one there. Look, there's loads of them in here. Loads of them. Right, stick them away from me, darling, in the bin. We'll try and see if we can not get the seeds out in a minute. I mean, obviously the seeds that you can see, so you can poke out, but other than that, you're going to have a hard time getting them all out.
Can I squeeze them?
Yeah, go on then, go for it. Go on then. I don't know how this video's going to come out because my iPad's on charge, so I'm having to use my iPhone. So I really don't know how this video's going to come out. I'm sorry if it comes out crap. I look like the back of a bus. And it's Sunday and we're all having a rest, so. Easter Sunday, we're going to have an Easter egg hunt later on. Looking forward to that.
Apparently it's this afternoon.
Oh, this is this afternoon, donkey, look. 20 past 3, right past 3. That'll do, my darling. That's it. Next one, throw that in the bin.
Can I do the last one?
Right, yeah, go on then. Grab that while I take one of the seeds. Go. That's it. Right, while you're doing that, let's try. Let's see if we can get the seeds out. Can you get your hair out as well, darling? You should really. If you want to come out, I always tell you. Tell everybody at home. I always tell you, whenever you're coming outside to cook, put your hair up. Right. I think I only got one in there, guys. I don't think I've got. Don't worry if you get any lemon bits in it, because that's what you want. You want your lemon bits. But what you don't want is the seeds in there. But even the seeds don't matter. That's it. Give it a squeeze. Yeah. Good stuff. Right. I'm gonna get my spoon. Luckily, limes don't have seeds in them, not as far as I know. That's it. That'll do, darling. Right. And then we're gonna try and put that in now without getting seeds in. So let's try that. Freshly squeezed, pure, freshly squeezed lemon juice. Look. Going to be absolutely delish.
You just got to see.
I don't get the seeds in there, haven't I? Oh my god. I don't do that. Right, let's see if we're going to have them. Right, Tilly. Put your limes on the plate. Be very careful, that sharp. That knife is very, very sharp, my lovely. Okay. Just trying to fish the seeds out, guys. Don't really want the seeds in there. As I said, it won't make no difference. And the lemon's lemon, it's a flavour. But it's just that you don't want to grab hold of a drink and have loads of bleeding seeds in it. Be hard pressed to find that now anyway. Right, one there, look. Go Pickles. Good stuff. Right, let's wash the lemon out. Hold on a minute, Ramsey. Why have you done that? Right, Lars, why are you crashing into him and hurting him again?
Remy kept on pushing me.
No, that's not what he just said. Big brothers bullying little brothers. I don't like it. Right, well, go. No, you don't need a plaster. Go run under the tap. Right, 2 half lemons, in with your ice in your bowl. Limes. Same again with the lime juice. Come on, Pickles. Same again with the lime juice. That's it. That'll do, Blondie. I'll do one, you do one. We'll take turns.
Yeah.
That's it. Just like that. Right. All you need to do is just get the juice out of it. Don't worry about any pulps or like that. Don't worry about squeezing the life out of it. That's it. Lars. Yeah. It's a bit of pain at the moment. He's going to end up going to bed instead of having a Easter egg hunt later. That'll do, bloke. That'll do before you knock it flying.
Look, it's got
I don't want. I just want the juice, my darling. I just want the juice. That'll do. Come quick. Because the 10-minute job is turning into 3 hours. Are you recording? Yes. Hello, my darling. Are you ready to shower? Are you burnt to a crisp? Oh my god, it's really, really hot out here today. Yeah. Alright. Go on then, babes.
Last.
Stop looking at yourself.
Mate.
I've just told you that, didn't I? Said you should have had your hair up. Right, so we finished with our limes. Finished with our lemon, finished with our lime. Good job, Pickles. Alright, pour that straight in. So you've got 2 lemons, 2 limes, freshly squeezed, straight in to 3 trays of ice cubes. Go. Beautiful. That's it all, yes. Right, get your cocktails. What you going? Alright, get your cocktails there, give it a stir. Let's just go and put her out first, okay? Alright, next thing you need, sugar syrup. Told you how that's done. 2 tablespoons of sugar into water, bring it to the boil, continue boiling until it turns into a thick syrup. Sugar syrup, done. That's that. Alright, next thing we need, strawberry syrup. Strawberry syrup. Strawberry syrup, turn it off. Just going to literally pour that in.
All of it.
Like that, give it a stir, my darling.
How much is that?
It's not. We're guessing to people how they like it.
Okay.
Cocktail Sarah. Go. That's it. Turn it around. Nice, deeply red colour, looking good. Very, very nice indeed. All right, you've done that strawberry syrup. Now your white rum. Keep stirring. White rum. I know what we want to do is we're going to put one bottle of this in first because this is 63 proof. Hot stuff. But I don't want to overpower. So put one bottle in first. Give that a stir, my darling. And see how we get on around much. Because I don't want the taste overpowering the taste. Let's have a go. Ooh. It's Easter Sunday. Let's just throw the other one in.
Oh my god.
Remember, this is a grown-up one. If you want a kid-friendly one, take these out. Okay. Yeah, me, that's good. Alright, so next one. Tropical fruit juice.
Oh, mate, I can smell those fumes
As
from
I say,
you.
that's 63 proof, that is. Sun Exotic, which is pineapple and coconut. Are you ready? Carry on stirring, my darling.
That is
Hey?
that was from the
Carry
Not the corner
on,
one.
carry
All
on,
the way down there.
carry on,
all the way down.
get stirring, Blondie.
All the way down the street, down the pavement.
Hey, done that. Another jubbly.
Easy to find. It was in the fridge area.
Alright, so
That's
I'll be stirring. Keep stirring.
Coconut, so it's like, you know.
No.
Alright, next bit to go in.
Oh,
The mango.
Daddy, I just dropped this
Did-
inside.
I'm trying not to.
I didn't mean to,
There's
Dad.
your mango. I don't know what it's going to taste like, but it's going to be good. Okay, ready?
Oh, this is gonna make it good.
Carry on stirring, Blondie. Okay.
Pretty sure you can make
That's
this
going
before.
to be dirty already.
Pretty sure you make this before, haven't you?
Yeah. Alright, lemonade. It should be lemonade on its own. I'm using lemon and lime. So, carry on.
Use a Sprite. You using it on whole of it?
No, just put in what you want. What you think is going to go for the rest of the ingredients. And obviously, you're not going to stick half a bottle of that in. Keep stirring, Buzz.
You made one of these before, but with tequila in it.
I made one last year with tequila in it.
Yeah, I know.
Ooh, that was dirty, wasn't it?
Yeah. What is that?
Fruit punch. Taste that. It's right, come here. This is what I tell you guys, right? They've got the cheek to put a flag on the side of it. Come here. I'm sorry, she's covered up. See? This is the true Jamaican, okay? True Jamaican. This is what I like making my missus Jamaican punch. Jamaican rum punch. This is bigger, as in Jamaican bigger. This is bigger fruit punch. They've even got the cheek to put the Jamaican flag on it. Can you see it? This. Come over here. Taste a mouthful of that. Freshly made Jamaican rum punch. Taste that. Ooh. Okay, now taste that. As their version of a Jamaican rum punch. I don't know what that's got in it. It tastes like artificial cherry aid. That's what it tastes
You
like.
know it tastes like melted ice pole.
Yeah, it tastes like artificial
You know,
cherry
like a
aid.
fab.
Oh
You
yeah.
know when you take the fab, the chocolate and the icy bit off the fab, and all
Yeah.
you're left with is the red lolly,
Yeah.
and it melts in your tongue. That's what it tastes like, but just with fizz.
So, this is why I wanted to show you the difference. Okay? So we're not actually going to use that. Don't want it. Not in my recipe.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
the fizz.
No, not going to use it. I just wanted to show. Alright, and last but not least, chopped fruit in now. Put any chopped fruit you want. I'm just going to put a couple of freshly chopped strawberries straight in now. Just chop the tops off. Chop the strawberries in half. Smack them straight in. Tops off. In half. Straight in. And last but not least, top, 2 halves straight in. And that's it. Now, what we do, we rinse off the strawberry,
Smell the strawberries.
rinse off the strawberry, off the, get a glass out, glass out, get a glass out, straw, okay, and then
So can I scoop it inside the drink?
Straight out the punch bowl. What? Take your spoon out.
Did you just take some?
Right now. Glass down.
No.
Glass down now.
Maybe when you're like
Scoop it out. Straight in now. See if you can get some of the fruit. See if you can get some of the ice cubes, so that people can see what this delicious thing looks like. Best thing you can do, my darling,
Put
is
the
bring it on there like
thing
that.
down.
Just do it over, so that any spillages go straight in. See it go. Go on.
Better if they'd have ladle with the soup in on the side.
Listen, like I said, this is a Franklin kitchen. This ain't, you know, ready steady cook or, you know, the F word. Although I believe Gordon's been upsetting people lately. We won't go there right now. Okay, put that down. Okay, finish it off. Show the people at home, and there you have it. One, freshly made, homemade Jamaican Rum Punch. Let's have a blast.
You're missing a herb with that.
God, if you do it exactly the same as the way you've just seen me do it, that's what that's going to taste like. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. I could drink gallons of that. What's up, Mrs. Franklin? From a proper Jamaican telling me, an English Essex boy, what it's like. Go. Be honest, if it's a load of crap, I'll tip it away and do the whole thing all over again.
No, it's not.
But I can taste the rum, I can taste the mango, I can taste the coconut coming through. There's loads of different things.
I'm trying to get the strawberry out. I want to eat
No,
it.
you can't eat your strawberries. You're not supposed to eat the fruit. It's the fruit is supposed to flavour.
Oh,
She's going.
I got an ice cube in bed.
Trying for the strawberries. She's got ice cubes. Anyway, tell the people at home, my darling. Tell the people at home that if you think that it's any good or not, go.
Let me taste.
That's good.
Are we good?
Where's the
Lars?
spoon?
No, you can't taste it.
This is really a grown-up one.
It's a grown-up drink.
Alright guys, and that's how to make it look.
That's, do you know the alcohol in
Look at
that isn't as much as you think it is?
No, it's not.
It's not overpowering. You can't even really taste it. Even
No.
though you can taste there's an alcohol spirit to it,
Yeah.
it's not overwhelming.
Look, if you look at it,
But you can feel it
Yeah.
heat in your inside of your mouth.
look, you can see it's thick, and that's how you want it. You want a rum punch shouldn't be watery and crappy like this crap. Tell you, got a good mind to complain to this company here. Jamaican. Oh please, you don't know what Jamaican is. You fell on it. Okay, this proper homemade. And the fact is, it would have been better homemade if I'd have actually used fresh mango. What else did I put in? Fresh pineapple, fresh coconut. Got coconut stuff in it. What's the name? Just ain't got pineapple on there. Try a shot round here for this stuff. You know. So that's it. That's how you make a rum punch. Okay, we've done 18 minutes. Not going to go any further. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. All the best. What do I always say? What do I always say? Stay safe. Alright? See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.